In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact in this phone. So at first you need to reach your phone dialer, and once you're in contacts, locate the one that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case, it would be Rita. Then tap on Info, and here we've got some further details regarding this phone, this contact, sorry. Now if you'd like to add a profile picture to this contact, just click on Edit and tap on a camera icon. And you can either pick one from the default pictures and also GIFs, it's up to you. Here you've got them. You can tap on plus to have some more. But let me go back. But you can also choose something from your gallery or grab a picture right now by tapping on camera to use it. Let me choose gallery. And we can pick this one. Now you can customize it as only you want to have it. Tap on Done then and click on Save. So that's it. From now on, this profile picture is assigned to your contact, and anytime Rita will be calling you, you'll be able to see this profile picture at first. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.